Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like cancel this 3 by using this 3 is equal to 15 divided by 5. Okay, now 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay, now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS rule, P means parenthesis, A means exponents, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. Okay. First priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Last and fourth priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Now in this question, here is division and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay, so is equal to 15. Now according to KCF rule, KCF, K means keep this 15 as it is same, C means change this sign from division to multiplication, F means flip this fraction, 5 by 3 is flip this fraction 3 by 5. Okay, multiply 3. Now here is multiplication and here is multiplication. So first we have to solve this multiplication. Okay, cancel this 15 by using this 5. So here is 3. Now 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Here is multiplication and also here is multiplication. So first we have to solve this multiplication because both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so 3 multiply 3 is equal to 9 multiply 3. Now 9 multiply 3 is equal to 27. Okay, so the correct answer is 27. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.